Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the T command. It's a very simple command that allows you to run some other command and send its output both to the screen and to a file at the same time. Here's a very simple example. Here we see the output of the who command we just ran, but if we look at this file, we see that it also contains the same output. So T saves you the trouble of having to copy and paste text from your screen in order to save the output of commands you're running. One important thing to consider is that the T command will overwrite the file if a file by that name already exists. If you want instead to append the new output to an existing file, just use the -A option like this. Now you see the date output, but if we look at the file, we can see the date is now at the end of it. Now, if it's helpful, you can even get the T command to send your output to multiple files. All you have to do is list the files sequentially, like this. And there's the output from our who command, but if we look, we see we also have that same output in these 3 files. If you want to append the output to the multiple files, you just do the same thing, but again, add the -A option. Let's see, we'll just do this. And now if we look at the files again, yeah, we can see they're a little bit bigger than they were before, basically twice the size. Well, that's your Linux tip for the T command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.